I don't even need to sync the audio, I don't know why I do that. What's happening, my fellow geeks and geekheads? Welcome to a brand new episode of Cosplay Chris, and today it is a fan mail unboxing for the month of January. Even though we're about to cross into February. Still, but first, I just want to give a massive shout out to my friend Brittany Howarth, who has a documentary called Hot Glue, a cosplay documentary. A few months ago, Brittany actually premiered this at Brisbane Supernova. She had a Q&A panel afterwards. The documentary itself is on her YouTube channel. I will leave the link down below, as well as her other social links. She does amazing work. Brittany did this documentary and partnered up with NovaStream to make it. It is a really cool insight into cosplay. Now, it actually follows two very special people that I know, that is Georgia Rose and the amazing Thora Boz, as well as Team Mountain Ash. So of course, produced and directed by Brittany, aka Brick Girl, and in association with the NovaStream network, this short doco pretty much explains how cosplayers start their journey, what one can gain from it, and how this creative craft can become a business. And I love that Brit really delves into all the nitty-gritty parts of cosplay, and also how it brings people out of their shell, especially people with social anxiety. I myself suffer from anxiety from time to time, and cosplay has definitely helped me come out of that anxiety shell, so I totally relate to this documentary. It goes for about 20 minutes. It's good to put on, especially if I'm working in the workshop, I'll pop it on. It's good to listen to, it's good to watch, it's good to see the behind the scenes, especially with Georgia and Andy Thora Boz doing their thing. Like I said, I will leave the link down below to Brittany's YouTube channel as well as her other socials. Go check out the documentary, guys. It's something we can all definitely relate to. So it's a fan mail unboxing for the month of January. I'm also going to give you guys a quick little cosplay update at the end of this video. We have 3 pieces of fan mail to unbox today. The first one is from my good buddy and fellow cosplayer, Josh Bateman. Josh is an amazing and talented cosplayer. Last time I saw Josh was actually PAX at the end of last year. Always a delight to see him, always a delight to talk shop. Go check him out on Instagram, go show the man some love. With that being said, let's unbox. I only have a little kniffy today, so the other one's up in the workshop and I couldn't be bothered walking up and, ooh, cut away, Stanley, cut away. Okay, we have a letter, Chris. I think that is addressed to me. Merry Christmas. Oh God, this guy's a sweetheart. Oh man, he's in his God of War cosplay, and there I am in my Alexios cosplay. I was so proud of him for that cosplay. He put a lot of work and effort into that. I was very proud of him. To my friend Chris, Merry Christmas and an early/late happy birthday. I wish you the best for 2019. Your friend and loyal fan, Josh. Josh, thank you so much, man. I'm gonna pop that up there. Let's see what else we got in here. We have newspaper. $29.99 for Pinot Silvestre. Not bad. I always try and be very neat when unwrapping presents, but then it just ends up a complete and utter massacre. Oh my God, you're kidding me. Oh my God. Whiplash Wacky Bobblehead. That is awesome. I honestly did not even know this thing existed. Oh God, look, there's Mickey on the side there doing his thing. There's another cool shot of Mickey. Oh man, I've got to open this thing up. This is pretty cool. If I hadn't known this existed, I would have bought it by now. Look at that. I want my bird. I want my bird. So very shit. Draw 'em better. Draw 'em better. You see the resemblance? Because I can't. I need about 20 layers of fake tan, some contact lenses, and a dirty little mustache and goatee. Even the whips are flexible, that's awesome. Josh, you've outdone yourself, sir. So Josh actually did a pop vinyl of myself as Pirate Batman with Pirate Catwoman and Pirate Harley, and I still have it up in the workshop. The little diorama he made was absolutely amazing. So like I said, go show Josh some love, go check out his Instagram. The guy is the salt of the earth, and dude, I really do hope I see you this year at the cons, whichever one I go to. Hope you're there, man. Next up, we have an envelope from Xavier, Hamilton South, New South Wales. Always love the name Xavier, it's just cool. It's like the definition of cool. Dear Chris, my name is Xavier and I'm 12 and I met you at Oz Comic Con in 2017. I met you this year as well, but I don't think you recognize me. I really enjoy your custom collectible videos and wish I could make some of the same stuff. I'm starting to get into horror a bit. And my favorite character is Michael Myers. So I've really been enjoying your videos about your life-size version. Thank you, man. It's finally finished, done and dusted. I also really liked your Casey Jones cosplay and can't wait what your next cosplay will be. I know it's a bit late, but since the death of Stan Lee, I have been working on some art for a tribute for him, for everything he's given us. I included a copy of it in the envelope, so I hope you enjoy. I would also really appreciate a follow on Instagram. So this is Xavier's Instagram down below. Go check it out, guys. Go show Xavier some love. Keep up the great work and entertaining videos. Sincerely, Xavier. Guys, that's absolutely amazing. I love that. It's got all the throwbacks there to Stan's amazing work and his amazing creation. So I actually really didn't touch on Stan Lee's death in any videos or anything. I did do a post on Instagram. It was just a picture of Stan the man himself and just Excelsior. But yeah, it sucks. Like, it's one of those things, it's like Robin Williams. I still haven't come to terms with the fact that Robin Williams had passed away, and it's going to be the same thing with Stan Lee. It's, you know, we've grown up with everything that they did for us and everything that they created and how they entertained us and made us smile. So it still kind of just hasn't sunk in. I don't think it ever will. Like I said with Robin Williams, it sucks. It's, you know, we lost a true champion. We lost an amazing and brilliant, gifted mind. But obviously the legacy he's left behind with Jack Kirby as well is just second to none. It's unique, it's legendary, and it's just gonna live on forever. Okay, our third and final piece of fan mail is a parcel from Mr. Michael Hare. This is a very nice, tight, neat little package. And I just realized that sounds really wrong. Ooh, cut away, not today, disco lady. Okay, we have what's this? Number 1, what's the description? Toys comic book. Okay, we got cardboard that says number 1. Is that a comic or I open this first? Either way, I hope I'm doing the right thing, Mike. Oh my god, Dark Claw. Whoa! Oh, what is this? Look at that! That's incredible! Hang on, let me get that right. There you go. Oh, that's wicked. Wait, maybe I should read the letter first just to get some context. Dear Chris, my name is Michael. I'm a geek from Colorado. Oh man, always wanted to visit Colorado. It looks like a beautiful part of the world. I've been a fan of yours for years and I always look forward to your latest videos. My 2 favorite things on your channel are the cosplay build series and the custom collectibles. What I look forward to the most in the cosplay series is what interesting name you'll come up for it. Road to Red Hood, Mr. Whippy, as well as the steps you take to show us fans how it all comes together. Last year I decided to finally start my first ever cosplay. It will be my own take on Red Hood. I will be using the Tim Burton / Joel Schumacher Batman films as the basis for my design and will be wearing the first time ever to Denver's Pop Culture Con at the end of May. I had purchased the Batman and Robin Redbird chess piece from GC5. Yes, that is that piece right there, guys. Last August, so you can imagine my excitement when in November I see the exact same piece pop up on your Instagram. It made me feel like I'm on the right track, and I've already received a load of crap from my friends about the bat nipple. Jeez. But it's like you always say, it's about the cosplay. Have fun with it and do it your way. If you want to see my progress, please follow me on my Instagram. So I will leave Michael's Instagram down below. Go check that out. I'm going to go check that out myself. It will be awesome for me to hear your thoughts. Now you're probably wondering what the cardboard package is with the numbers up. Please open up package number 1. In 1995 to 96, Marvel and DC Comics teamed up and produced a 4-issue series where heroes from both universes fought each other and for the fans to vote on the winners. I didn't even know about this. Part of that series created a short-lived amalgamation universe where heroes from both universes were merged into new characters. What you have in front of you is a #1 copy of Legends of Dark Claw, a combination of Wolverine and Batman. As soon as I saw that, I'm like, that's like if they had a kid and that's what it would be. When I saw this comic at my local comic store, I immediately thought of your Batman and Wolverine cosplayers and was inspired, and I knew that I had to pass that on to you. Please open package number 2 now. Okay, these are 2 inexpensive toys that I now donate to what I hope can be the first in a new type of custom collectible, Mashup Edition. I hope you accept my challenge and look forward to the result. Thank you for doing what you do and being an inspiration to all your fans. Hope you have a cracker of a day, hope you're well, hope you're happy, be merry, be silly, and always remember, cosplayers do it best. P.S. If you're ever visiting Colorado, the beers are on me, Michael. Done deal, man. The beers are on me, man. Look what you've done, look what you've donated. This is ridiculous. Oh, you cheeky bugger. Okay. So, We have a Wolverine action figure. We have a Batman Justice League action figure. Are we thinking mashup here, geeks and geekettes? Because I am. I'm just looking at these and thinking, how can I do this? But let's make it happen. Let's Frankenstein these pieces together. Let's detail them. Let's give it a new cape, whatever. I've really actually got to pull these things out of the boxes and see what I can do with them. I'm up to the challenge, Mike, so I hope I do you proud, man. Now, I also want to touch on what Michael said about how his friends were giving him a hard time because of the whole nipple thing with the torso that he ordered from GC5. Now, I get it. People are gonna laugh about it, especially the younger generation who either haven't seen or don't really appreciate the Schumacher films. I know they are just ridiculously stupid films, but you gotta admit, the costumes in Batman Forever and Batman and Robin are absolutely beautiful and amazing, and like the Batfleck suit, massive feats in costume engineering. They obviously started something with Keaton for Batman 89, they refined it for Batman Returns, and then by the time Forever and Batman and Robin rolled around, those things were just pristine and just works of art on their own. So for those who don't know, the armor was actually modeled off Greek armor, like actual pieces of Greek armor from Greek times, from Roman times, and they had nipples on them, and that's what they modeled it after. That's what Joel Schumacher wanted. Jose Fernandez, who runs Ironhead Studio that made Batfleck's Batsuit, actually sculpted the pieces for Batman Forever, Batman and Robin. He was in his mid-20s when he did it. So obviously Jose is just following studio and director orders, but I still think they're beautiful pieces, nipples or no nipples. It doesn't actually really bother me. I don't really take notice of them. I'm like looking at the rest of this rig of a piece here, and like I said, I will have a video when the belt, the neck seal, and the mask arrive to really finish this piece and bring it all together. But yeah, Michael, seriously, don't even stress it, man. If people are making fun of that, they're the ones with the problems. So just keep doing your thing, keep doing your jam, and be happy about it. To Josh, Xavier, and Michael, gentlemen, thank you so much for just being so awesome, just being surrounded by such amazing talent. You guys are just phenomenal. So like I said, guys, go check out Brittany's amazing documentary, Hot Glue. It is on her YouTube channel. Goes for 20 minutes. It is a damn good watch. Highly recommend it. Again, thank you to the boys today for their amazing contributions. Now, a cosplay update. I have actually started sourcing pieces for the Crow. I went and bought some pieces yesterday, and tomorrow I'm going into the Krylon shop in the city. I hope that's how I pronounce it. If not, whatever, you guys get the idea, to get some black and white makeup. This is the Aqua Seal stuff that kind of, you know, is really smear proof and stuff like that, because I'm going to be putting black over white, and you don't want it smearing and going grey and all that. A makeup test will be coming next week, as well as a hair test. I do have to do the bone shell piece of hair that's going to be all clumped together, just as a throwback to the comic. But in terms of inspiration, I really am going for all these concept art pieces of Jason Momoa in what could have been this Crow movie that he was trying to do. In terms of Casey Jones, I had to go back and do another denim jacket, because this Casey Jones short film that Rui and myself are doing takes place before Casey meets the Turtles. So of course the original denim jacket that I had the Turtles riding and all their graffiti all over it. So I had to go for a bare bones jacket, still weather it up, but something that takes place before Casey meets the Turtles. So that's why I've shaved as well, obviously for the Crow and for Casey Jones. A lot of wardrobe and makeup tests happening over the next couple of weeks. Geeks and geekettes, so very excited and very happy about that. Guys, thank you so much as always for watching. Wherever you are in the world, have yourselves a cracker of a day. Hope you're well, hope you're happy, be merry, be silly, and until next time, geeks, please always remember, cosplayers do it best.